Hello and welcome. To become successful cloud professionals, you have to pass two stages. Stage 1, become expert in each and every cloud related services. And second, pass certification exam. Now, stage 1 is right now going on. You guys learning all the AWS services from our platform. What about stage 2? Now, stage 2 is little bit difficult because when you are going to give specifically AWS Solution Architect exam, they are asking scenario based questions. And the words that they are using in the questions are really twisted words. So we want to solve this problem for you as well. And that's why from this particular video, we are going to start new experiment. For example, recently we have completed ElastiCache for RDS cluster series. This series will provide you all the details about ElastiCache and we can consider it as a stage 1. But what about stage 2? Let's say that I have exam, I want to understand all the questions related to ElastiCache in the exam. What should I do? Now this video will help you over there. This is kind of summary, and also you can consider this video as an ElastiCache cheat sheet video for AWS Solution Architect exam. So at the end, when you are giving exam, okay, you just need to watch this particular video. It will provide you all the terminologies detail. Okay. Now, if you like this particular experiment and if you want this kind of cheat sheet videos for all AWS services, please make comment because your comment will be decision maker for this kind of series. Okay. So let's start.
Hello and welcome. I hope you are enjoying our AWS series. We have big plan to add Azure series, even videos for each and every DevOps technologies. But for this, we want some support from you guys. You can support us by only doing two things. First, subscribe to this channel. And yes, only subscribe to this channel if you are thinking that these videos is actually giving you some values. It will help you to pass any AWS exam like AWS Cloud Practitioner, Solution Architect Associate, or even Solution Architect Professional. Second thing is, share these videos with other IT professionals. Learning process is actually not expensive. If you are getting better or proper instructor or a mentor, it will really help you to develop your skill. If you are thinking that we are providing you a proper right path to improve your skill, your friends also deserve this, right? And for this, you have to share this channel videos with them. So I am just requesting you to do these two tasks for me. 1, subscribe to our channel and share with other IT professionals. Thank you. Now you can continue your video.
Now, first of all, there is one terminology update. Okay. This terminology update will really confuse you. So there is a word cluster and replication group, right? Now here, console update. Now what happened? See, the term cluster is now used in ElastiCache Management Console for all Redis configuration. Now when you are going to set up Redis, because Memcache doesn't support cluster mode, so they are using the word cluster, right? Now in Redis, if you are going to set up single node Redis setup or multi-node setup with replication or sharding, they call it cluster. Now, if you are going to set a same ElastiCache cluster from API or command line, here they are using the word replication group, right? So Replication group refers the configuration with primary node and replica node. So specifically, if you look at this, okay, so what term cluster, they are using it when you are going to use console, and the term replication group, they are using it when you are actually going to create ElastiCache environment using API or CLI. Specifically in terms of Redis, a primary node and replica node combination or automatic failover is called replication group, right? I'm giving you this clarification. Why? Because right now, let's say that if I'm going to my AWS console and if I'm going to create ElastiCache, okay, even if you choose anything, you will never get this option of replication group because we are doing everything from the console. So we have clear understanding about cluster, but we never heard this word replication group because we are not using API or CLI. Now in the exam, they may use word cluster or they may use word replication group, but now there is no confusion because I clear this particular point. Okay. Now let's talk about the second point, which is multi-AZ in ElastiCache. As you know that multi-AZ is going to deploy your resources into the multiple availability zone, so you will get high availability. Now, supported engines. Redis fully supports multi-AZ. Memcache does not support multi-AZ. Look at this. Here, if I am going to create Redis, here I am going to enable cluster mode, and if you look at this, multi-AZ enable. Now, if I am going to even disable cluster mode, multi-AZ enable. But if you look at the Memcache option here, and if you look at this, multi-AZ disable. Okay, so keep this in mind. Memcache doesn't support multi-AZ and automatic failover because Memcache is not supporting this. So available in Redis, multi-AZ setup. Promote the replica to primary if the primary node fails, which is only supported in Redis. Right? Now, this is one of the most important part that you need to understand because, you know, if someone is not teaching you, like if you are learning from other platform and if they are not teaching you, don't blame on it because this is actually happening with all the trainers, right? The problem is there are some terminology that they are using in the exam, like that they are using during the question that they are asking, but we are unaware about this, right? So as a cloud professional, if you will heard about this particular terminology and you don't know about it in the question, okay, you have like in dilemma in your mind that I don't know what is this, so how I can answer this. This is actually happening. So I thought like, okay, let's add this caching strategy over here. So when you will read questions related to the ElastiCache, you will feel comfortable and you are aware about all this wording, right? So I am adding this, but if you are not getting this kind of wording on other platform, don't worry about it, okay? Because this is normally happening. So let's understand core caching strategies.
Sorry, I know that you want to watch full video, but full video is now not available on YouTube. If you want to watch full video, I want you to go to our website. When you will go to our website, you will find out our course 100 Days YouTube Challenge. I want you to enroll for this course by paying only 499 rupees for lifetime if you are from India. If you are from outside of India, you just need to pay $7 US. Once you will enroll to this course, you are going to get all full videos over there on our portal. You are also going to get certificate after completing the course, and we have just uploaded 120 videos. We are going to upload another 120 videos as well. So there will be total 240 videos. I hope we are going to meet inside the class. Thank you very much.